Oh, well, 2013 has already opened up a little wet for Winslow. So we just figured we'd take advantage and show you a little bit of the water with all the big snow and all the rain. And our shelter house is technically kind of in the dry, but not really. And yes, it's cold this morning. At least we got sunshine. Yesterday it was underwater. Today it's just barely out. SweetsView.com. Here's the Patoka River with the floodwaters starting to go down. We just wanted to kind of show it to you. Looks cool for a second. Sun fading. And walk with me. We'll take a couple steps, swing you around. Hold on, we hope we don't make you too dizzy. Okay, there's just about a minute with SweetsView.com. We'll catch you later. Bye.